Today, I'm going to share the details of a custom AI trading bot that's evolved into an incredible source of passive income for me. If you're constantly looking up how to make money online, I can confidently say that after testing dozens of methods, launching this automated AI crypto trading agent is the absolute best route I've discovered. The beauty of this system is how user-friendly it is, mainly because the core logic was written entirely by artificial intelligence. You definitely don't need a computer science degree to operate it. The AI handles all the heavy lifting in the background. The specific day trading approach works by identifying micro price discrepancies exclusively on the Ethereum blockchain. It specifically targets pending cryptocurrency token swaps on major decentralized exchanges. By scanning the public order blocks, which acts as a waiting room for unconfirmed transactions, the code spots massive incoming buy orders just before they process. It then executes a lightning-fast sandwich sequence, paying a fractionally higher gas fee to push our buy order through right before the target transaction and instantly firing a sell order after the price jumps. This trading strategy extracts clean arbitrage margins by utilizing the market momentum generated by that initial buyer. With artificial intelligence progressing so rapidly, leveraging it to automate these precise arbitrage executions is a brilliant way to make money online today. Let's transition into some live trading so you can see exactly how this works. To start, you need a standard Web3 wallet. Most of the popular extensions are perfectly fine. Mine's already funded and ready, so let's head over to the smart contract development site. I've linked all the official resources you need down in the description box below this video. First, I'm going to make a new workspace file. Give it a simple, memorable name. Next, we're going to copy the main source code. You can find this exact code in the video description. Because transparency is a huge part of crypto trading, this script is fully open source, allowing you to easily run it through any validator or security auditing tool. Paste the code directly into your new workspace file. You'll see detailed inline comments explaining the purpose of every function. Now head over to this tab on the left side menu. Ensure that the compiler version selected here exactly matches the version declared on the very top of our script. Once you've double-checked that, click this button to compile the code. With the compilation finished, we need to link our Web3 wallet. Go to this tab, switch the environment dropdown to this specific setting, and authorize the connection request that pops up in your wallet. Your active address will now be visible on the interface. Go ahead and hit this deploy button. This step launches our trading bot onto the Ethereum blockchain. It requires a small network gas fee, which generally costs less than $1. Once the block confirms, the control panel will appear on the lower left side. It features 3 distinct interaction buttons. Before proceeding, do a quick verification check by clicking here. Make sure the contract address displayed matches the one showing in your wallet extension. This proves you hold full ownership of the smart contract, and as you can clearly see, mine match perfectly. The next step is depositing funds into the trading engine. The most efficient operating range is between 2 and 10 ETH. While you can fund it with an amount outside of this window, the return curve tends to flatten out below 1 ETH and above 50 ETH. Copy your newly deployed contract address to your clipboard using this button. Open your wallet, make sure you have your desired liquidity plus a little extra to cover network fees, select ETH, paste in the contract address, enter your amount. I'm going to deposit exactly 2 ETH and authorize the send. Once that transaction is fully confirmed, verify your contract balance on the control panel by clicking this button. Everything's loaded up. I'll activate the AI agents by clicking this button and confirming the execution transaction in my wallet. The bot's now live, actively listening to the order book and watching for volume spikes that often follow breaking crypto news. I'm going to let it run autonomously in the background and check back a bit later. See you soon. All right, I'm back. I'll click here to pull the latest update. Very nice. We're seeing some solid positive momentum. Keep in mind that your daily earnings will fluctuate based on Ethereum network congestion, gas competition, and the overall trading volume across the decentralized exchanges. To get a highly accurate benchmark of its performance, I'll let the bot run untouched for a full 24 hours. Be right back. A full day has passed with the AI agent executing transactions on chain. I'm going to click here one more time to review the 24-hour performance. Perfect. The metrics absolutely speak for themselves. The balance has scaled incredibly well, and the best part of this setup is that the console log records every single routing split, block number, and automated swap executed by your contract. This guarantees 100% transparency over your capital, which is much better than blindly trusting a closed source platform. Now that our live test is complete, withdrawing your original liquidity along with the accumulated profit is very simple. Just click this button, approve the withdrawal transaction in your Web3 wallet, and wait for network confirmation. There we go. Just like that. All the funds are finalized and routed safely back to your main wallet address. Please keep in mind this video is meant strictly for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, and this should not be interpreted as professional financial advice. I'm just documenting my personal AI trading bot experiments. I've included my contact info in the description if you have any questions. And if you found this overview helpful today, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on future content covering how to make money online, cryptocurrency automated builds, and passive income strategies. I'll catch you in the next video.